Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and all over the world observe Youm istehsal today to convey the message to India and the world that they reject Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's illegal action of 5th August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Modi regime, in gross violation of the UN resolutions and international law, repealed the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and put it under military siege on this day 3 years ago. Call for the observance of the Youm istehsal was given by the All Parties Hurriyat conference. The occupation authorities deplored Indian troops and police personnel in strength in Srinagar and other cities and towns of the occupied Kashmir today to prevent people from staging anti-India demonstrations. Despite heavy presence of Indian forces personnel, people hoisted black flags in Srinagar and other areas to show their resentment against India's illegal occupation of their homeland. The authorities even locked the historical Jamia Masjid, Srinagar, and didn't allow people to offer Jummah prayers. Shopkeepers told the media that Indian troops and police personnel visited markets yesterday and warned them to keep their shops and businesses open and desist from observing shutdown today. The IIOJK leadership in a statement urged the Indian fascist government to shun arrogance of power and read the writing on the wall that the people of Kashmir will never surrender before the Indian military might. It said India's illegal measures in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir cannot change the reality of Kashmir dispute. Meanwhile, a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today revealed that Indian troops martyred 663 Kashmiris since 5th August 2019 till date. One youth was martyred even today. The report said that at least 2,278 people were critically injured due to the use of brute force by Indian forces personnel on peaceful demonstrations in the territory. It added that the troops damaged over 1,093 houses and structures, molested 125 women, and arrested 17,993 persons in the period. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, along with party leaders and activists, held a protest demonstration in Srinagar today against India's 5th August 2019 illegal actions. Raising slogans, the protesters termed 5th August as a black day. They asked for resolving the Kashmir dispute and release of Kashmiri political prisoners from Indian jails. National Conference leaders including Ali Muhammad Sagar, Sheikh Mustafa Kamal, Nasir Aslam Wani and Hasnain Masoodi in a joint statement maintained that 5th August will always be remembered when the rights and dignity of the people of Kashmir were illegally snatched away. On the other hand, protest rallies were organized in Islamabad, Peshawar, Lahore, Quetta, Karachi, Muzaffarabad and other parts of the Pakistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir to draw attention of the international community towards the Indian brutalities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The participants of these events, organized by IIOJK chapter, Sada-e-Hurriyet and other organizations, urged the international community to hold Modi regime accountable for its atrocities on the unarmed people of the occupied territory. Various programs including seminars, webinars, conferences and protest demonstrations were also held in different cities of the world, including Brussels and Birmingham, highlighting the plight of the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir facing the worst Indian state terrorism for last several decades. The General Secretariat of Organization of Islamic Cooperation, in a statement in Jeddah, called upon the world community to take concrete steps for the settlement of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant UN Security Council resolutions. It also urged reversal of all illegal and unilateral measures taken by the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government on or after 5th August 2019.